My name is Amit Reddy. I'm an assistant professor of chemistry and biochemistry. When most people think about iron, they think about something cold, inert, you think about rust or statues or swords. I think about it as something that is absolutely essential for life. And when we breathe oxygen, the protein that's carrying oxygen throughout our bodies is an iron-containing protein. Half of all proteins require metals for function, but it turns out those metals are actually quite toxic to cells. So our research is figuring out how does cells and organisms repurpose toxic elements for the benefit of the organism. All of the iron that's in our bodies, in our cells, and for the planet for that matter, come from fusion reactions derived from exploding stars. So there are high-energy nuclear reactions present going on in the cores of stars, and when they explode, they allow for the formation of heavier elements, including iron and copper and zinc, and they're flung out into space, and there's rocky planets that are present that collect a lot of these elements that are being flung out into space, and somewhere in a pond far away, there's some microbe that's evolving, and they incorporate these metals into metabolism. And you fast forward now, and there's us, these human beings that have incorporated iron into metabolism. I was a big Star Trek fan growing up, and I'd always hear Dr. McCoy make comments about Spock being you green-blooded Vulcan, how could you do this? And I was always wondered why his blood was green. As everybody knows, our blood is red, and our blood is red because of the iron in our blood. But it turns out Spock's blood and Vulcan blood is green because they use copper instead of iron to carry oxygen around.